Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Today's story is filled with emotions, laughter, and lot of mishaps, lot of funny moments, and lot of blunders. We hope that you also have experienced such road trips in your life. If not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, plan that road trip that everybody dreams of. Today's story is called The Chaudhary Family Road Trip Disaster. The Chaudhary family of Jaipur decided it was high time they took a road trip. It wasn't just any road trip. This was to be a pilgrimage to Rameshwaram, a journey that Babuji, Mr. Chaudhary Sr., had been dreaming of for years. The entire family included Amma, their son Rohan, teenage daughter Kavya, and their mischievous 6-year-old Bunty piled into a trusted but aging Maruti Suzuki Omni, lovingly called Moti. The start of the journey. The trip started at 5 am sharp, or rather, it was supposed to. Amma was running late after an emergency battle with the pressure cooker that decided to revolt during the preparations of parathas for the journey. By the time they left, the sun was up, and Babuji was grumbling about the lack of discipline in today's generation. The first hurdle: directions and distractions. Babuji insisted on being the navigator despite his questionable ability to read Google Maps. Technology spoils people, he declared, pulling out a decade-old paper map that looked like it had survived a flood. Within an hour, they hopelessly were lost. They stopped to ask a villager for directions. Bunty, meanwhile, decided to climb onto a buffalo standing nearby, causing pandemonium. The buffalo bolted. Bunty screamed and the villagers looked like they were about to chase the Chaudhary with pitchforks. The lunch mishap. By noon, they stopped at a dhaba to refuel themselves and Moti. Rohan, in his infinite wisdom, ordered the spiciest dish on the menu, daring Kavya to eat it. Kavya, not one to back down, took a big bite. What followed was a theatrical performance of her chugging water, hiccuping and turning red as Amma smacked both kids for their antics. To add to their woes, Bunty disappeared mid-lunch. They found him in the kitchen, trying to help the cook by adding a fistful of sugar to a pot of dal. The breakdown. Somewhere on a lonely stretch of a highway in Tamil Nadu, Moti sputtered, coughed and gave up. Babuji's attempt to fix the car using the YouTube video was futile. They waved down a passing truck, whose driver kindly agreed to tow Moti to the nearest mechanic. The mechanic, named Money, was a chatterbox who offered unsolicited life advice while fixing the car. Family trips are like cricket matches, he said. Everyone has a role, but there is always one who ruins the game. The Chaudharys looked accusingly at Bunty, who was busy trying to dismantle Money's tool set. The grand finale. When they reached Rameshwaram, it was late evening. They were exhausted. At the temple, Bunty tripped and spilled a bag of prasad into the holy tank, causing a minor uproar among the pilgrims. Kavya accidentally photobombed a wedding photo shoot, leading to an awkward exchange with the bride's family. To top it all off, as they were leaving, a monkey snatched Amma's handbag, which contained the car's keys. The family had to bribe the monkey with banana to retrieve it, drawing the laughter of the onlookers. The ride back. The journey was miraculously eventful. Apart from Bunty discovering he could burp the alphabet, much to everyone's annoyance. Though the trip was chaotic, messy, and utterly hilarious, the Chaudharys returned home with stories they'd laugh about for years to come. and a firm decision to fly next time they planned a vacation. We sincerely hope you loved this story as much as we loved narrating this. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.